Okay, before we start working on the front end of the site, I just want to do a quick recap of what we've done in the past 4 videos. First, we created categories, channels, added videos, and then we created a playlist. So now we're going to connect the categories to the menus. For example, the categories, the channels, and the playlist. Right now these are blank. They're not really taking you anywhere. So let's go ahead and connect the menus with what we just created. So you go to menus, main menu. All right, the first one to do is click on categories, and you want to click on where it says menu item type. Click on select, go to the Michelle videos, and you want to go to category. Okay, so we selected the categories, and we just want to display all the different categories here. If you wanted to display a specific category, then you choose from here, but in this case I just want to display all the categories. And for this, it's just the other options here, which I'm going to go over later when we work in the SEO part. So you want to click on save and close. Next, click on channels, and where it says menu item type again, click select. And you follow the same process. Save and close. And then first, now go to playlist. So we're going to connect all the menus on the front end with the back end so they can be able to communicate. And user account or the account. Now how this works is based on who is logged in, the preferences are going to be different. So if the admin is logged in, then what they see is going to be different from what a user sees, and we're going to take a look at that later. And then finally we have to upload. All right, save and close. All right, so now we've successfully connected this menus with the things we just added, like the categories and the video. So let's go ahead and refresh the home page. Okay, right now the home page still looks blank because the home page is not connected to anything at the moment. But if you click on the categories, you notice that you see the categories we just created with the description there. And it also shows you the number of videos that are in each category. Now there's an option in the admin section or the dashboard where you can, hide the number of videos if you don't want it to show. And let's check out the channels. All right, so when you click on the channels, you notice nothing shows here. It's just showing this channels with the search bar. And the reason for that is, let's go back here to the channels. So you go to components, Michelle videos, and you go to channels, which brings you here. And you want to click on the channel title. The reason why it's not showing because it's showing the wrong date. In other words, it's showing a date that hasn't arrived yet. Right now, today is September 2nd, 2014. But this is showing September 3rd. In other words, this is supposed to have been created tomorrow instead of today. So when I click on channels again, nothing happens. But when let me change the date to, let's say, the right day, which is the 2nd, and save. And when I click on channels, you'll notice that now you can see the videos that are there for this particular channel. All right, the reason it's shown like this because I'm the main admin with, all the rights and privileges. If a user logs in, they won't be able to have access to everything here. So now let's add one more tab for the videos. or run one more menu. So go to main menu and just click on add new menu item. All videos. Let's just change that to latest. All right, save. And let's refresh this page. And for the latest videos, nothing is shown there as well. And this again is because of one thing that we need to do, and to make sure that the right date is on it. So if you're publishing videos, you have to make sure that it's published for that day. For example, look at this one. The creation date, the system is recognizing this as being September 3rd, but today's actually September 2nd. So what I'm going to do is I have to change the date for this, for all of the videos. All right, so I went ahead and I've changed all the dates, so it's showing the right date as being, today's date. So let's go to latest and refresh that page, and you notice now that all the videos are showing. All right, so let's click on this one, for example. All right, so this is what it looks like. Nice and clear. And from here, you can be able to check out different options that you have here. Have a report. And everything so far, it looks very clean and very straight to the point. And as you can see here, there's also a title. All right, so let's keep on continuing to work on this.